2 of my EcoBuzz. My name is Jessica Gregory. I'm so excited to start off this fall with a 3-part series on dune formation, because here in Michigan and along the Great Lakes we're blessed with an incredibly important ecosystem feature, and that is freshwater dunes. Michigan actually has the largest system of freshwater dunes in the world, so I'm really excited to dive into it a little bit more with you. So come along with me, let's get started. There are 3 key ingredients that you need for dunes to form. The first is a source of the sand, the second is a way to transport the sand, and the third is a place for the sand to collect. As we learned in the last episode of season 1, Great Lakes sand originates from bedrock in the northern Great Lakes area and Canada, granite bedrock. So the majority of the sand is composed of quartz and feldspar with some magnetite. Now this sand was brought to the Great Lakes area as a result of glacial activity that deposited it here after eroding it away into the smaller pieces that we now see. Now the wave action and the currents help to sort and wash these pieces of sand up onto the beach, in addition to rivers and streams pushing the sand out to the lake shore from inland. Along Lake Michigan, the westerly winds blow the sand onto the shore, which provides the basis for a dune to start forming. And then from there, the beach grass, or marram grass, collects the grains of sand that are washed on the shore or blown ashore by the wind and gives the grains a place to rest. As more and more grains of sand are collected, a larger dune is built. Thanks for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this little taste of what it means to form a dune, and we will continue talking about this in the next couple of episodes, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to check out the Facebook page as well for additional information or posts, and feel free to share with me your experiences of having fun on the dunes from the summer. I would love to hear about it. So thanks for joining me. Have a great week. Happy naturing.